Are you a fan of motivational speeches? Or even if you're not, I'm sure you've come across one of those motivational speeches or talks from some online personality on YouTube, Facebook, or on one of those Instagram reels. And because his videos are everywhere and his name started blowing up on social media, you might just recognize this viral personality I'm gonna tell you about. Intrigued yet? Stick around and I'll tell you more about him and how he can make you some extra money. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Have you ever heard of Andrew Tate? This guy is everywhere. Everyone wants to interview him, and his videos once uploaded immediately become viral. It's like everyone wants a piece of him. But do you know who he is? Andrew Tate is a British-American internet personality. He started out as a professional kickboxer, but has since become an influencer who offers practical life advice. On top of that, he also offers paid courses and memberships through his website. Andrew Tate's online presence is vast. He's on all the social media platforms. He has his own website. On top of that, other news outlets and vlogs cover him incessantly, so when you Google him, you're guaranteed to get information overload. Now, I'm not saying all his coverage is always positive. In fact, if you Google him, most of these third-person articles are actually quite negative. You might even catch a few articles about how Andrew Tate is one of the most hated online personalities out there. But we're not here to glorify or vilify this guy. We're just here to make a few extra bucks. So love him or hate him, there's no denying his popularity at the moment. For better or for worse, people are curious about him. And what do curious people do? They go on the internet and try to find out as much about him as they possibly could. But why are we really talking about him? Isn't this channel supposed to be showing how you can make extra money online? Well, don't worry because we are getting there. But before that, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. And make sure to give the notification bell a ring too, to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future content. So, let's go back to the video. You may be wondering how exactly are we supposed to make any extra income from this guy Andrew Tate? And the answer is by cashing in on his being viral. He is everywhere, right? And people not only click on his videos, they actually look for him. So why not use that to your advantage? If you go on YouTube and search Andrew Tate, you will get several hits from so many different channels. One of these channels is Tate Shorts. If you're not familiar with how YouTube works, just type Tate Shorts on the search bar and then click the filter button right here and choose channels, and it will immediately filter out all the other search hits like videos and shorts. Make sure you filter because for this video, we're not interested in those. So now you're left with just the channels. The channel we're looking for won't always immediately come first. So if that happens to you, just scroll down until you find this channel. This is what we are looking for. It has 6,540 subscribers and to date it has 243 videos uploaded. So once you find it, click on that and you will see all these uploads. Now you're asking, what are we supposed to do with these videos? How do we profit from them? I'm going to be telling you about it in a second. But right now, I want to ask you if you're enjoying the video so far. Are you familiar with the subject of today's video? Let us know your thoughts by leaving us a comment in the comment section below. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so let's go back to the video. Before we go into how we can earn from these videos, I'm gonna be telling you about another useful channel where you can find more videos of Andrew Tate. This is Daily Tate. Just like what we did with the previous channel, just type Daily Tate into the search bar and make sure you filter the searches and you will find this one. It has 117 videos uploaded. If you browse through the channel, you'll find several shorts and some full-length videos of podcasts and other interviews from Andrew Tate. Some of these are quite long, others are just basically sound bites. And one more channel you might find useful is Tate Universe. It looks like this, and it has 148 videos uploaded. Click on this and you'll find the channel to look like this. These are YouTube automation channels. They're basically anonymous and whose owners don't have an actual identity. But this is fine because you're really just interested in the videos they've uploaded. Now you don't have to limit your searches to these channels. Individual videos you may find interesting are perfectly fine. You can just type Andrew Tate on the search bar and you'll get results like this one called Add Tate Speech and FNF versus 11 Girls, which has 1.5 million views, or this one called Andrew Tate Spitting Facts on Big Brother UK, which is 500,000 plus views. These are obviously popular and would provide you with much needed interesting sound bites, so don't shy away from these ones as well. We're finally at the part where I'm going to tell you about what to do with these videos, but first, have you subscribed yet? If you haven't yet, the video is almost over, so please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Okay, now that I've reminded you, let's go back to the video. What do we do with Andrew Tate's videos? First things first, you're gonna need to download these. To do that, you can use any YouTube downloader apps you can find in the Google Play Store or on the Apple App Store or anything you can download onto your computer. But personally, I would recommend YouTube Cutter just because I find it to be the easiest to use. Okay, so once you find the video you're most interested in and cut out the part of the content you want, say use bits from minute 204 to 234, this should be enough to make YouTube Short. We all know you can't make money out of YouTube Shorts because these can't be monetized, but we're not really interested in that part either. So now you uploaded these videos, you can create a YouTube channel if you want, or you can use other social media platforms as well. What matters is what you do in the description box because this is how we earn. We know Andrew Tate goes viral quickly, so there's a very high chance the video you cut and uploaded will get a lot of traffic. Take advantage of that via warriorplus.com. This is a sales and marketing automation platform for business owners and online marketers, and we're gonna take advantage of this. Sign up for an account which is free, and then go to the affiliate offers section and pick and choose products that give you commissions for down sales and up sales. These give excellent commissions. Just study each one of them and then choose the best option for you. So instead of referring people to Hustlers University where you'll only make money from only one sale and earn $25, here you can refer people to just one product but still make a lot of money on the back end. It is possible to make hundreds of dollars just from one person, multiplying your profit by 10 times. Once you find a product you'd like to promote, click the Request Approval button here. Then explain why you'd be a suitable affiliate for that offer and click Request Offer. After you get approved, you'll have the option to click Get Link to see your affiliate link. When you've done that, link the product to the video you've uploaded through the description box or in the video itself. It's very important that you do this because you're basically just using the video as a tool to promote the product. So do this and just wait for your commissions to start coming in easily. So how did you find the video? Was it helpful? Do you think you might give this idea a try? Let us know by commenting on the comment section below. Also, while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're also working on more money-making tips, so make sure you're updated with our new uploads by hitting the notification bell as well. So that's it for now. As usual, good luck and see you in our next video.